Hey everyone, Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over stretches and exercises for plantar fasciitis. Historically, it was thought that plantar fasciitis was caused by such things as tight calves, bone spurs, or flat feet. But most current evidence suggests that even though these may be contributing factors, the main problem is irritation of the connective tissue right at the base of the heel, usually due to some sort of overload mechanism, such as running or jumping too quickly or wearing high heels too often. So the most effective treatment is to let the tissue calm down and then gradually and progressively strengthen it over time. To do this, we need stretches and exercises that we'll go over next. First stretch, you're going to take the leg that has the plantar fasciitis and cross it over the other leg. Take one hand and put your fingers right at the base of the heel where the connective tissue attaches, and then take your other hand and put it at the base of the toe, and you're going to pull up towards your body, creating tension where you can feel it with your other hand. You're going to want to work up to 10 sets of 10 seconds per set, 2 to 3 times per day, gradually increasing the tension. This exercise will need a step or a stair and some small piece of cloth. You're going to want to fold the cloth on itself many times so that you can put your big toe on the foot with the plantar fascia so the toe is extended, putting some tension on the plantar fascia. You're going to step up, brace yourself with the other arm against a wall or something, and you're going to press up for 2 seconds, pause for 1, and come down for 2. We're going to try to work up to 3 sets of 12 reps and do this every other day. After you feel like this has gotten too easy, you can use a weight to add the resistance. If you don't have a weight, you can use a backpack and fill it full of books or something. Again, we want that 2-1-2 tempo, 2 seconds up, pause for 1 second down. We recommend that you do this every other day and do 4 sets of 10. Lastly, some cases of plantar fasciitis can be really hard to treat. And in those cases, you might need to wear a boot or crutches to completely offload the tissue and let it calm down enough to the point where you can start the exercises and stretches. We really hope you found this content helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.